Good morning, it is vacation day today and we will be heading out to Miami today and we will be leaving tomorrow on our cruise for 5 nights with Royal Caribbean on the Independence of the Seas. So I am gonna bring you guys along with us as always, but we are just getting ready to go to the airport now and our flight doesn't leave until like around 2 something. So we just have a little bit of free time before then. I'm just finishing last minute packing and yeah, I will catch up with you guys when we are headed to the airport. It is the day of embarkation today and we are just getting ready to go get some breakfast now. Our actual our actual sail away time is at like 3 o'clock and we actually don't get on the ship until 12. So all that to say, shut up. Anyway, yeah, but we are about to go ahead to get some breakfast and I will keep you updated. We just stayed with our friends last night. Their family had let us stay with them, thankfully. And yeah, so we're gonna go grab breakfast this morning and then we'll be on our way. We just got back from breakfast and we are about to head to the port soon. We have all of our stuff ready to go and I think we'll probably be able to get in there around 12. So I'll catch up with you guys then. Tour, guys. Welcome to our room. So when you first come in, we have some luggage storage space here. And then also some more over here, as you can see. And then the safe is up here as well. And then here is the bed. This is the interior room, by the way, and there is some mirrors right here along with a lot of lighting and just a little seating area for you to sit and do your makeup at. And then also there is a couch in here that you can chill at, and then also the nice 2 twin beds pushed together, which basically makes like a queen or king size bed, I'm guessing. And then there's no window because it's interior and it's really nice. It's nice in here. It feels really nice in here and dark. And here is the bathroom. So yeah, bathroom right here. Here is the shower. It's nice and big. Toilet, and then also just the little thing right here. Cute, cute, cute. Cheers! Guys, we are about to head to dinner. We just finished getting ready, so we are just about to head up to see, or not dinner, I'm sorry. We are ready for dinner, but we are headed up to see if we can see the sunset right before we go head to an ice skating show. So yeah, I'll show you guys the fit. Alright, I'm just gonna do it this way because it's a long way that I can get the whole frame, but this is the fit. I'm just wearing some trousers and a bodysuit, and Nathan is wearing his trousers and shirt and boots. And yeah, we are headed to the top deck to see if we can get some pics for sunset, and then we should be going to our ice skating show. I'll see you guys later. guys, we just got back from a silent disco. It's like 11 now and we're so exhausted, so we are about to head to bed actually. So I will catch up with you guys in the morning. We're planning on going to the gym, so I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 2 today. It is a sailing day. I am about to go to the gym, and then after that we're gonna go get some breakfast and then go back out to the pool. So I will catch up with you guys once I get to the gym. Okay, just finished my workout. I am good now. So we're gonna go get breakfast and coffee. Came back to our room and we got a cute little crab. Isn't he so cute? I love animals. The little animal thingies, they're so cute. Alright guys, we are going to go take some sunset pictures and then we are going to head to dinner. It's formal night, so this is what I ended up wearing and it's what Nathan ended up wearing.
I'm pretty.
Headed to dinner now. up, you guys. We just got back from hanging out in the casino. We did not win anything, unfortunately. We played bingo earlier today and also didn't win anything, unfortunately. But we did go to dinner and we had a good dinner. It was French night and there were no shows or anything going on tonight, so we are about to probably just get ready for bed and go to sleep. Our excursion is early in the morning tomorrow. We have to meet at 8 and we're gonna be taking like a tender boat from the ship to the excursion, so we'll probably be going from one boat to another boat basically. But yeah, we're super excited to go snorkeling tomorrow and we'll be in the Grand Cayman Islands, so I can't wait to show you guys that experience. I can't wait to film the snorkeling experience like I did last time because I just love snorkeling. It's so much fun. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys in the morning.